Daily use English sentences. दैनिक प्रयोग गरिने अंग्रेजी वाक्यहरू. What's up? के छ हाल खबर? What's up? Come here. यहाँ आऊ. Come here. See this. यो हेर. See this. Hurry up. छिटो गर. Hurry up. Wake up. उठ. Wake up. Start over. सुरुदेखि फेरि गर. Start over. Sit down. बस. Sit down. Have faith. विश्वास राख. Have faith. Not bad. त्यस्तो नराम्रो छैन. Not bad. Don't ask. नसोध. Don't ask. Help me. मलाई सहयोग गर. Help me. Of course. अवश्य पनि. Of course. Focus here. यहाँ ध्यान देऊ. Focus here. Don't worry. पिर नगर. Don't worry. It's okay. ठिकै छ. It's okay. Get ready. तयार हो. Get ready. No problem. कुनै समस्या छैन. No problem. Forgive me. मलाई माफ गर. Forgive me. How come? कसरी सम्भव भयो? How come? Forget it. यसलाई बिर्सिदेऊ. Forget it. Stop it. यो रोक. Stop it. Find me. मलाई खोज. Find me. Never mind. चिन्ता नलेऊ. Never mind. Go slow. बिस्तारै जाऊ. Go slow. Don't shout. नकराऊ. Don't shout. Believe me. मलाई विश्वास गर्नुहोस्. Believe me. Call me. मलाई कल गर. Call me. Nobody knows. कसैलाई थाहा छैन. Nobody knows. Calm down. शान्त हो. Calm down. I'm sorry. मलाई माफ गरिदेऊ. I'm sorry. Tell him. उसलाई भन. Tell him. Clean up. सफा गर. Clean up. Stop screaming. चिच्याउन बन्द गर. Stop screaming. Not now. अहिले होइन. Not now. Try again. पुनः प्रयास गर्नुहोस्. Try again. It hurts. यसले दुखाउँछ. It hurts. That's right. त्यो सही हो. That's right. Have patience. धैर्य राख. Have patience. How exciting. कति रमाइलो. How exciting. Thank you. धन्यवाद. Thank you. Love you. तिमीलाई माया गर्छु. Love you. It's over. यो सकियो. It's over. Be nice. राम्रो बन. Be nice. Watch me. मलाई हेर. Watch me. You're welcome. तपाईलाई स्वागत छ. You're welcome. Scoot over. अलि उता सर. Scoot over. That's enough. त्यो काफी छ. That's enough. Let go. जान देऊ. Let go. Be careful. होस गर. Be careful. Forget this. यसलाई बिर्स. Forget this. You win. तिमीले जित्यौ. You win. Have fun. रमाइलो गर. Have fun. Good morning. शुभ प्रभात. Good morning. Absolutely not. बिल्कुल होइन. Absolutely not. Excuse me. मलाई माफ गर्नुहोस्. Excuse me. I agree. म सहमत छु. I agree. Don't lie. झुट नबोल. Don't lie. It's hot. यो तातो छ. It's hot. I'm impressed. म प्रभावित भएँ. I'm impressed. Think twice. फेरि सोच. Think twice. It's easy. यो सजिलो छ. It's easy. Your turn. तिम्रो पालो. Your turn. I apologize. म माफी चाहन्छु. I apologize. I forgot. मैले बिर्से. I forgot. Keep quiet. चुप लाग. Keep quiet. What happened? के भयो? What happened? Take this. यो लेऊ. Take this. Hold on. एकछिन कुरा. Hold on. Answer me. मलाई जवाफ देऊ. Answer me. Don't pretend. बहाना नबनाऊ. Don't pretend. Keep going. गरिराख. Keep going. Please wait. कृपया पर्खनुहोस्. Please wait. It's funny. यो हास्यास्पद छ. It's funny. Be serious. गम्भीर बन. Be serious. Watch carefully. ध्यान दिएर हेर. Watch carefully. I promise. म बाचा गर्छु. I promise. Buy this. यो किन्नुहोस्. Buy this. Not you. तिमी होइन. Not you. Tell me. मलाई भन. Tell me. Good evening. शुभ सन्ध्या. Good evening. I know. मलाई थाहा छ. I know. Use this. यो प्रयोग गर. Use this. Look here. यता हेर. Look here. Me too. म पनि. Me too. He left. ऊ गयो. He left. Don't spit. नथुक. Don't spit. It's boring. यो boring छ. It's boring. Look around. वरिपरि हेर. Look around. Stop here. यहाँ रोक. Stop here. Open it. यसलाई खोल. Open it. Please go. कृपया जानुहोस्. Please go. Good job. स्याबास. Good job. Say something. केही त भन. Say something. Don't panic. नअत्तालिऊ. Don't panic. Keep smiling. हाँसिराख्नु. Keep smiling. You're smart. तिमी smart छौ. You're smart. Move on, अगाडि बढ. Move on. Chill out, चिन्ता नलिऊ. Chill out. Be honest, इमान्दार बन. Be honest. See you, फेरि भेटौँला. See you.